Are you looking for a low-thickness system to soundproof your floors? With Mapesilent Comfort Plus, installation is quick and intuitive. It is perfect for reducing impact noise and, thanks to its low thickness, allows you to easily, reliably, and effectively create floating screeds that are perfectly insulated from a substrate. To ensure the continuity of the acoustic system, the joints between the rolls must be sealed with Mapesilent Tape, while Mapesilent Band R, the self-adhesive, pre-cut elastic perimeter strip, must be applied along the perimeter and at the points where elements cross the screed for easy L-shaped installation. And for a high-performance screed, trust Topsum Pronto. It is ready to use, quick-drying, and suitable for all types of flooring. Mapesilent Comfort Plus is EC1+ certified with very low emissions of volatile organic compounds. Thanks to its high content of recycled material, it helps to obtain LEED credits. Mapesilent Comfort Plus, the soundproofing system suitable for any type of flooring. Find out more at Mapei.com.